Hey guys, it's Maria with WTI. I love fun mugs.
And that's exactly what this cup is. So fun. I love the color on the inside. It's good for other beverages besides coffee and tea. I love to just sit by the window and chill with my super cute Hello Kitty cup. It's technically my daughter's cup, but I just love it so much, so I always get her permission for me to use it. And I love coffee, and I feel like coffee tastes better when it's in a nice mug, so that's a plus too. Even my little Spider-Man loves this mug. This is definitely a family favorite, and it probably will stay that way.
So if you have a mug collection and you want to just make it even better, I would highly recommend this product. I love drinking coffee out of it. My guests and my kids love this cup. I even make my husband drink from it sometimes. It's pretty funny. I would definitely recommend this cup, and that's my point of view.